YouTube? Welcome to my video. Sorry guys, I'm all out of breath and everything. I was trying to get my setup together. Okay, so today, well, let me stop. Today I will be, I will always show off my address. Okay, I will be doing a video about the Alipearl, however they pronounce it. I pronounce it Alipearl or Pearl hair. This is the deep wave hair. I went on their website and ordered it last Saturday night, early Sunday morning, and it got here today, which is today's Wednesday. It got here today at 12 o'clock or 12:50. Yeah, 12:50. It sent me a thing and said it was delivered. First of all, before I even open the package, I'm going to explain everything. It came through FedEx, and one of the representatives from the hair company, she was DMing me through the whole process on Instagram, and they have a Chinese holiday going on right now. It's like a 7-day or 5-day holiday, and she had made a post on Instagram saying that order your hair by September 28th, or it'll take over the 3 days, the 3 to 2 days or 3 to 5 days to get here. So she gave us the option to DM her our order number so she can get our orders rushed out before the holiday. So I sent her my order number, and she worked with me and asked me what day did I want my shipment, and I said no later than Tuesday. So, you know, she got it here Wednesday, and she sent it right on through FedEx, and that gave me a good experience with them, and I will be ordering more hair from them because that meant a lot to me, that, you know, she gave me that option, you know, to do that. And if you guys are wondering the background behind me, this is the paparazzi jewelry that my mom sells. I will be putting her social media in the description box just because I'm basically sponsoring her jewelry in my video, or showing it, displaying it in my videos for now. So I'm going to put her links and everything in the description box. This is not all her jewelry. She has a bunch of other containers and boxes of jewelry. So don't limit it to just this. If you want jewelry, let me know. And just message her or anything. When I put her social media in the description box, message her about the jewelry. And Paparazzi jewelry is $5. It is the home of the $5 jewelry. So let's get back to the hair. Let's go ahead and open this box. This bag or envelope, whatever you call it. Let's go ahead and open it. I wanted to give you guys some more details. There's not really much to say about it. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this up with my scissors. Well, I gotta be dramatic and cut it. Like, I can't just rip it open. Hold on, y'all. My mom texted me, just speaking of her. Let me text her that right quick. Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay. Now I got it open. Ooh, looks good. Y'all, I don't be getting the long hair because I don't have time to be burning up personally and be all hot and stuff. So yeah, I didn't get all that dramatic long hair. I got something very simple. I don't like a bunch of long hair on my neck. Like this right here is driving me up the wall. And if you want details on this hair that I have in my head, go to my last hair review video. The IC hair review, that's what this is, and it's driving me up the wall. I'm going to turn this hair into a wig because it's too much, and I'm going to cut it. It's going to look good. I don't like all this hair. Look, oh, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, they sent me some other stuff in here. Wow. Let's see what it is. Hold on, y'all. I got to pick up what I dropped. Okay. These look like some type of bracelets or something, or a choker. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's called fashion jewelry. But they sent 2 of these in. Let me see. They sent 2 of these in with the package. So, I'm not really sure. They might be chokers or bracelets. Something like that. Anyway, they sent a pair of eyelashes, which I don't know how to put eyelashes on, so, and this one dangling sideways in the pack. I don't know. I'll probably give these to my cousin or do whatever with them, because I don't know. But let's get to the hair. This is what we're here for. Well, you guys are here for. Wow. Okay, so let me explain. Okay, so I ordered the 10-inch, the bundles, right? The 10-inch bundles. They all say 10. Okay, make sure. Okay, they're all 10-inch bundles, right? Okay. But I actually ordered an 8-inch closure. But they end up sending me a 10-inch closure. So I guess they felt, you know, about my weight that I would have to wait because of their holiday. They went ahead and sent me a 10-inch closure, y'all. The lace closure. Yes, I love lace closure. This is what this is, but y'all don't pay no attention because my hair is growing. You know, it's going back. But when I first had it, look, that thing was right. Anyway, they sent me a 10-inch closure. Get the word right, Ebony. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this, okay? So excited. Now I'm going to kind of open it up. But this is the deep wave hair. I wish I had like a paper detail. You know, I like to pull out my papers and stuff. But this is what the 10-inch kind of looks like. But let's take it out, because you know shrinkage, everything like that. Like I said before, I don't like a bunch of long hair and everything. I probably should have went for like a 12, because I wasn't thinking curly hair draws up. Should have got like a 12-inch. It doesn't have a bad scent to it. It just kind of smells like hair dye or something. But it's not dye. Yeah. And this the 10-inch. I forgot, really guys, I really forgot that this was curly hair and it wasn't straight hair or body wave hair. Because, you know, this is 10 inches right here, and you see how stretched down it is, whatever. These are 10 inches, and they're kind of drawn up. Because, you know, it's curly, but once you put your conditioner and all that stuff in, you know, some people wear it in this natural state, you know, this natural state. But, yeah. I'm going to subscribe to their YouTube. I mean, I'm happy with the hair. Like, it looks like it's really good hair. I just wish I would have thought about the links. Oh, okay. Y'all, I cannot pronounce my words today. This has been happening all day. Disclaimer. But yeah, it's cute. It's just kind of short. Yeah. Let's see. It's gonna look all short. But like I said, I don't like a lot of hair on my neck and stuff, so. But I really should have did 12 inches. I wasn't thinking. At least I didn't get 8 inches because it would have been really short. But the funny thing is the closure looks so much longer than the regular bundles. For what? Hold on, y'all. I like to put my stuff back in the way it came. But it's like the closure looks longer than the 10-inch bundles. Maybe I'm tripping. Let's open this up. Even though I'm going to be mad because I want it to go right back in the pack the way it came. I'll be dramatic like that sometimes. Okay, so let's see. Yes, see, look, stretched out longer than the bundles for whatever reason. It has a net on it too, by the way. I like this one. Ooh. It looks like this one did. The only thing, this one is Malaysian straight hair, and this is deep wave. So yeah, it just looks, maybe this one's just drawn up too, because it's like wrapped around the thing and all that stuff. But it's just, y'all talk to me down in the comments below and tell me, like, is the closure supposed to look longer than the hair itself? Because this is 10 inches. And I promise you, these look like they 8 inches. Like, I promise you, they look like they 8 inches. That's crazy, though. This don't look like 10 inches. Somebody please tell me in the comments below, like, am I tripping or is this really 10 inches? Because, it don't match that. The length don't. I think maybe I'm just, I don't know. I don't know. But, I mean, I'm happy with the hair anyway, like the texture and everything. I just don't want my closure to look longer than my bundles, if y'all get what I'm saying. I'm probably going to get a middle part this time. I got a side part right now. But, of course, I'm natural, so I'm going to give my hair a break. This is not going to go into my senior portraits. The beginning of November, late October is when I'm going to get it put in, something like that. So, we'll see. But, I mean, I like the hair. I like the customer service. They did what they were supposed to do. They did their part. They sent me the hair as fast as possible. And I'm happy with it. It just looks so short. I don't know why it looks so short. But I mean, as long as it's good hair, I'm not going to trip. Because I still got this hair that I'm going to turn into a wig. And eventually this hair will get turned into a wig too. Because I mean, I never really thought about wigs. But now I'm thinking about them because it's like, you can keep that, you can have that style anytime you want, basically. Like, with a sew-in, it has to come out eventually, but like with a wig, you can go back one day and just, oh, I want that style again, you know, just get the wig. Plus, you know, making it is like a DIY, something creative, like, you know, so I'll do that. But, I suggest that you guys do order, but think about the sizes and stuff that you just order, because, I wasn't thinking like curly hair gonna be shorter than straight hair. I knew that, but I wasn't thinking about it, basically. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Well, I'm about to drop stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please share with a friend. Share on your Facebook. Share on your Instagram, Twitter, any social media you use. Please share my videos. I'm trying to come back with videos back to back, trying to get some stuff out. Because your girl has been going for a while, and I know that's not good, but I'm back for some, you know, somewhat. You know, I'm trying to go ahead and finish my senior stuff, so I'll be back around that time. But I mean, I'm gonna still come back, you know, post videos. But like after that, like graduation vlogs, all that stuff, back to back. Like y'all gonna see me, okay? Anyway, and prom, I gotta do. Yeah, I'm gonna do prom videos. Forgot about that. Anyways, oh, which one did I take out the pack? Okay. I was one of them, so I know that I disturbed the curls a little bit. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe like I said before, and share. And also, make sure you check out the description box for the information about this jewelry behind me. And I thank you guys for watching. Sorry, y'all, I gotta put my stuff back in the thing. Okay, y'all, and I have another video coming talking about Fashion Nova. Tune in to the next video after that, and it should be a video before this video of an unboxing of shoes. And this was an unboxing of hair, so I'm coming strong. Love you guys. Bye.
What I gotta do